Hello, I'm here now. Just open this again. This is open about like this. Then I got courses book and 2 ball pens. This is only and I got is red ball pen and black ball pen. I got and a book actually like this is colorful. This is roses on. This is roses bell. This is roses name. That's so nice. Okay. Now let's get started. First I got fill my name. Now okay, let's try them. Oh, this. That's what you name it. Okay, let's start the black one. The black one starting November.
Alam ko na. Alam ko na. Alam ko na.
Bakit?
Alam ko na. Okay.
Huwag ka maingay, nakikinig ka.
Nakikinig ba? Mas kaya nagagaya ka, no? Hindi na. Aray! Kumanta? Ay. Hello?
Ay ka pa dyan? Si ay ka.
Ay.
Mami na! Mami!
Ano?
Hinay mo!
Ay, hindi na. Uy, huwag mo ako sulatan! Kala ko sinulatan mo ako, dadagukan talaga. Ay, dilasal. Hindi na. Patay na yung mami mo. Ayoko ng mami.
Mami! Nani na?
Patay na ako!
Yan pala!